Welcome to the best third period class at Westlake. I got third period, not fourth period this time. Welcome to the best third period class at Westlake. I am not here today, as you can tell. You probably saw me earlier today in the building, but I had to slip out because I'm visiting with the sixth graders at the elementary schools as they get ready to come for seventh grade. So I won't be back until about the end of school. That being said, I want to make sure we keep the same momentum. As you know, for the first 10 minutes, we do our starter, which is a silent reading. Level 1. Now, level 1 means that our voices can't be heard anywhere because they're turned off. So silent level 1, 10 minutes. We're going to go pause this video, and then we'll resume after our silent reading. Thank you for the work on the starter. At this point, we're going to take a transition and we'll make sure our books are put away. Our cell phones are kept in their pouches. Important, especially on a Friday, make sure those are in the pouches so they don't get confiscated over the weekend. And take a moment to write down your objective. It will be here on the screen. We'll give you a moment for that. We're also asking you to make sure you get to your Friday bell work. Remember, that's the same document. It's a big part of your third quarter grade to have all your bell work completed for Mrs. Sanchez when she gets back. Fill out your Friday reflection on your digital bell work. So we're going to take 5 minutes for those three things: putting your books away, books and cell phones away, making sure you have the objective written down, and filling out your Friday bell work. I'll leave this running for just a few moments so you get those accomplished. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Yesterday was the only day I've ever given you homework. If you forgot about it, you might be a little bit in luck. I'm going to ask that our wonderful guest teacher, Mrs. Hunt, collects the homework at the end of the class period. So if you haven't quite finished it, you might be in luck to be able to finish it up and still get it turned in. But I do need those turned in because I'm going to be grading those over the weekend, and I will return them to you on Monday. So they're meant for you, so you can refer back to them. So please make sure you have those complete and turn them into Mrs. Hunt before you leave to be able to get credit for them. That's a very important thing. Also, we are going to take a quick moment and pausing the video here to fill out the exit card we ran out of time for yesterday. The exit card basically is a question. This is just right in your Google Classroom. Go to yesterday's exit ticket where there is a question that says, which of the 5 text structures do you feel most comfortable with? Remember, you're thinking of the text structures such as cause and effect, compare and contrast, order and sequence, problem solution, and description. Those are the text structures. By the time you had finished your homework or had gone through that flip book packet, hopefully you have an idea of what all 5 of those are. And the question for your exit ticket from yesterday was, which of those 5 do you feel the most comfortable with? And which one feels the most difficult to you? So we're going to pause right here. No matter what level you were done with your homework, I do want you to respond to that prompt on your Google Classroom exit ticket from yesterday. Pause and then we'll resume. Nicely done. Today we are looking at the text structure. The text structure compare and contrast. We are going to actually read an article called "Tornadoes and Hurricanes." While you do it, I want you to circle keywords that let us know this is a compare and contrast text structure. You can use your flip book to help you. You're looking for words in compare like alike, both, same, similar, like, in common, also, similarly, in comparison to, as well as. You'll know that it's a contraster, it's looking for things that are different when it says different, differ, unlike, not alike, difference. On the other hand, however, although, even though, in contrast to, while, or but. Those are key words, and you're going to read through the article and simply circle anytime you see those key words. That helps you know how to compare and how to contrast. You're also going to fill out a graphic organizer. It's a Venn diagram. It's 2 circles that are interlinked. And what you're looking for are the things that are different. They go in opposite circles. And then the things that are the same, the comparison things, go in the parts of the circle that intersect. So we're going to pause here again, take a moment to be able to get that article and to circle the key words that show if it's a compare or a contrast, how they're the same or how they're different. Go ahead and pause here. You're almost there. The final thing for today is your exit tickets on your Google Classroom. Once again, find the exit ticket prompt, which are what are some key words that tell you that a passage is a compare and contrast passage. So we need you to respond to that. That'll be your final thing. Mrs. Hunt will decide when she's able to excuse you. Additionally, I want to remind you to make sure you do get turned in your homework from yesterday. This is the final call for it. It gets graded over the weekend, so we need that turned in if you haven't already done so. And with that, I'll see you on Monday. New month, which means a new seating chart on Monday, and I look forward to seeing you then. Thanks, guys.